The Nintendo Switch AC adapter can stop working due to several common issues. One reason is a loose or damaged cable, which can cause power issues due to regular wear and tear over time. Inspecting the cable for visible damage is essential, and if it appears worn out or frayed, a replacement is necessary. Ensuring the cable is securely plugged into both the switch and the power outlet can also resolve the issue. Another possible cause is a faulty power outlet, which can prevent the adapter from working. To rule out any socket issues, try plugging the adapter into a different outlet, if it works. The problem lies with the original outlet. Additionally, overheating can cause the AC adapter to malfunction, particularly if it has been plugged in for an extended period. In this case, unplugging the adapter and letting it cool down for a few minutes before plugging it back in may resolve the issue. By checking for these common problems, it is possible to identify and fix the issue with the Nintendo Switch AC adapter.